In this time for chat review, I'm going to be showing you a training that's going to show you how to actually monetize ChatGPT so that you can make money with it and not just play around with it. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on every single one of them. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Time for Chat, just go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses, including past products of Dawood's. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says the new sensation that changes everything. Learn how to monetize the amazing ChatGPT. No experience, email list, or tech skills required. Discover the 5 best easy ways to make money using ChatGPT. Works in any niche. Anyone can do this, etc. So if you've heard of ChatGPT, it's that AI technology that is going to allow you to actually do lots and lots of things. A lot of people kind of like don't understand. They think it's exciting, but they don't necessarily understand how to make money with it. So this is going to teach you exactly how you can go out there and make money with it. Now, they say they got results like this. Of course, I always tell you guys, whenever you see screenshots like this, always take it with a grain of salt. These are just ways of making money online. It's not going to magically change your life overnight. It's just going to be perhaps a way that is going to spark an interest in you. And if you can take one of these and run with them, you can maybe make some extra money with these. But it's not like some magic button that doesn't exist out there, right? Here's money that Dawood's achieved, but not necessarily with ChatGPT. This is money that he's made just in his business. So just be aware of that there. These guys like to put a bunch of screenshots on their pages. Just be aware of that. So it's going to be a one-time price here for this. I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick video, explain this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you the back-end area, the OTOs, and the discounts.
Today, I have just one question for you. Have you heard of ChatGPT? Because if you haven't, or if you have but you don't yet understand what it is, then you are missing out on the biggest game changer to hit our industry since the dawn of the internet. Now that's a pretty big claim, and we've seen some pretty overhyped reactions to new technology innovations plenty of times before. But ChatGPT really is the real deal. It enables everyone to become a product creator, an author, a copywriter, and an email writing expert, plus lots more, even if we have absolutely no experience in any of these areas, and even if our command of English is minimal. By asking it a couple of simple questions, ChatGPT can deliver content on any topic that will blow your mind, which is unique and sounds like it was written by a human, and which is so skilled and detailed that ChatGPT was recently able to pass a tough law exam all on its own. There is only one word to describe all this, and that is sensational. Hi, I'm Dawood Islam, and along with my launch partner Hassan Ko, we are going to show you the 5 best ways to monetize ChatGPT starting today. The videos are simple to follow and over the shoulder, so anyone can do this, whatever their level of experience. And you can be up and running and earning money within hours from now. Best of all, if you act fast during the launch period, we're going to let you have this transforming knowledge for less than $10. That's barely more than the price for a decent coffee. Getting started with Time for Chat is easy. Step 1. Pick up a copy of Time for Chat before the price goes up. If you come back later, you really will pay more. Step 2. Watch the 5 easy to follow videos showing you step by step how to make money using chat.
Baby,
sure you jump on the bus today. So now you have two choices. You could sit back and wait and let everyone else
Okay, so we are back. So this is the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase. You'll have all the different money-making methods. They'll have the 5 different methods that they're going to walk you through each one of them and show you exactly how they work. After you purchase the first, the front-end offer, you're going to get offered upgrades. So the first one here is the Pro version of this. But here's the thing. With the Pro version, this is going to give you some more methods here to monetize. If you click the No Thanks button on this page, what's going to happen is a downsell is going to pop up. So it's going to give you the same thing, but just at a lower price. I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, so please hit that like button. As far as the prices go, they're not showing up on these pages, but Dalwood's products aren't super expensive. Just be aware of that. Next one here is his Executive Club. Again, hit the No Thanks button if you want to get a discount on that one. Here's reseller rights. You can actually resell the entire product. Click the No Thanks button. You can get a discount on that. Here's Done For You campaigns. Again, click the No Thanks button and get a discount. And the last one is his Beta Academy here, and then where he'll actually launch a product with you. Hit the No Thanks button. You can actually get this one. You can do it in a monthly plan. All the OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Time for Chat and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about this, it's not like you're going to just go into this and start making hundreds of dollars a day. These are just ideas for making money with this. So you have to take them, actually apply them to your business. What do I like about this? ChatGPT is an amazing tool. However, like I said, it's a tool, but if you know how to use it the right way, you can definitely save a lot of time with it and potentially make some money. Thank you so much for checking out my Time for Chat review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.